Hey, what's up? I'm going to be doing a bike check on the Fit bike VH1. Everything's stock except for these purple long neck ODIs and this animal stem. I took off the brakes, so I have no brakes now. It kind of wears out your tires a lot if you do straight and you have to like stop at the foot, but I like it like that. It's whatever you prefer, but like everything else is fit. Fit tires, fit rim, purple pedals, and a purple sprocket. Got the pegs on the right side. I'm going to be getting a white chain. My seats are fit, and I'm going to be showing you the sound of the hub. So yeah, this is a good bike. I'd recommend it. It weighs 25.3, and if you want to get it, I know it's on Dan's Cop. Everything's pretty good on this bike, and nothing is broken yet.